Hi, this is Matt O'Brien with Mint Social. I'm excited for my upcoming presentation on April 12th to the AMA Phoenix crew. We're going to share some secrets and some campaign results using Google AdWords and Google's accelerated mobile pages. If you're not familiar with it, you definitely need to learn about this. It's kind of like competing when there's nobody else around. It's almost like being in a phone booth all by yourself. Wait, that's what I'm doing right now. You get the concept? Go where there's less competition and kill it for your business or whoever you're helping to accelerate and advance their mission online. These are critical things that need to be known and, as far as I see it, implemented in 2018. We've been doing it for over a year. We have some really cool case studies. We're going to share a lot of that with you. But most importantly, we're going to have a lot of fun along the way. Looking forward to seeing you there.